Hello everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and today in the shop I am here with a couple of Klein tools. We have their flickable folding utility knife with impact driver and a utility knife blade dispenser. The knife is number 44304 and the dispenser is 44125. And what makes this unique? Well, let's take a look at this. First of all, it's in a locking position right there, so you can use it and a downward force that way. It has a button here, like most do, to close it up, but it stays locked. You have to push the button to unlock it, so that's a nice safety feature. Again, you have a positive click right there and a positive click right there at a normal one. But some of the unique features about this is it has this extra little part here that they call a wire stripper. I would think you could also cut string in there pretty well. When you flip it over, there's a button here, and when you push that down carefully, that's what makes the blade come in and out, so it's easy to change that out. It has a belt hook here, so you can put that on your belt. Has a hole here for a lanyard, so you can hang it around your neck or put a safety strap on it. And another unique feature, let's close this up, is it has an impact-rated driver here. And you can pull that out, and you can have your typical one there on a shorter, or you could put this in your drill, so you always have a driver handle with you. Also comes with a Phillips number 2, but you can switch that out to whatever you find more convenient. And to close it, there's a little tab on the side here. You push that in, that will close that up. So it's kind of a 2-for-1 here. You get the knife and you get the screwdriver with it. And here, if you get this sold separately, the blade and dispenser, this comes with 50 blades in this nice case. Has a place here so you can say hang it on a 2x4 with a nail on the job site. You push this across and it dispenses your blade. And on the bottom here, you can put your old blades. It also, if you had your reading glasses on, has a nice display there to let you know there's a 50 there, so you know when you're running out, you'll be able to tell. All from Klein Tools.